We're going to go to video now. Whee!
Peppa's at the Ferris wheel.
And she has lots of prizes.
She has lots of prizes at the fair. Let's see what kind of prizes. Oh, they're Shopkins prizes.
I can't wait to see and play the Shopkins.
You can't wait. Let's see what we have. We have Shopkins Season 8.
Yes.
Shopkins Season 8. We have 4 of them that we're going to open. And they're Peppa's prizes at the fair. Okay, which one do you want to open first?
This one.
Okay.
I want to play the Shopkins.
Oh, you want to play with it. Okay, let's open this one. This is the one you picked first.
I want to play the Shopkins.
Hold on. Hold on. These are the World Vacation Season 8. Look what we have. Oh my goodness. 2 bags.
And we have a box.
And we have a box. And it has instructions is what she calls them. But it's all a list of everything that we can get. Let's take a look. Wow. Look at all these ones we can get.
We have another one by too.
Okay. Well, first we've got to open up our blind bags. So I got some scissors here because they're hard to open sometimes. Who's this one? Oh my goodness! Look how cute! Look how cute that one is.
It's a bat.
Look how cute. It's a bag. Oh my goodness, it's Bonita Basket. Hi, Bonita Basket. Isn't she pretty?
Yeah.
Okay, well, we have another one that came in that, so I got the scissors out. Oh my goodness, what do you think of that one?
It's a tassel.
It is so pretty. Oh my goodness, that one is the Mine Valentine. Oh, it's a little Valentine basket. It's got little cards and everything. Well, those are such neat prizes. Peppa Pig says, oh, thank you for my prizes. I love them. I love them. Is this the one Peppa should open next?
Yes. I won't have the instructions.
You want to hold the instructions? Okay.
Oh.
2 more blind bags. What do you think we're going to get?
Lion.
Let's look.
Let's get it out.
Oh, it's skates. Look at that. That's Rolla Kate. That's Rolla Kate. Look how cute she is. Oh my goodness. Okay, here's another one. Let's see what we got. Take it off and undo it. Wow, look at that one. Oh, that one's Tia Ice Cream Taco. Wow, that's a cool one.
We have 2 more left.
Okay, we have 2 more left. Let's put this over here. Look at that. They stack. How neat is that? Okay, here's the next one. Peppa, I wonder what it could be.
I want to hold the instructions.
Okay, you hold the instructions.
I want to see what it says.
Okay, you see what it says. I'm going to open it up. Look at this one. Look at that.
Oh.
What is that?
And it looks like we have...
Oh, that one's Sloppy Jojo.
That might be mine.
It's okay. That one's Sloppy Jojo. Did you know that?
I want to see.
Look at Sloppy Jojo. Wow. Okay, one more in this bag. Look at that one. Look. Hey, little one. Look. It looks like we have Isadora ice cream. Do you like ice cream?
Yes.
Oh, yay. Say yay. We love ice cream. We're going to stack another one. Look at that. We're making a little tower. Okay, Peppa, you have one more full of 2 blind bags. Okay. Let's open them up and see what you have.
I want this.
Oh, look at that. It's a cactus. Isn't it cute? It's teeny tiny. That one is Spike.
It's prickly.
It is prickly and it's so cute.
And it has prickle on it.
It does have prickle on it. Okay, Peppa, this is your last one. Look, it's a shoe. Katie Kicks. That's Katie Kicks. Isn't that neat? Oh, wow. Look at Katie Kicks. Well, Peppa, those are your prizes.
I want to place them.
Okay, you want to put them in here? Let's put them in here. Peppa, you got some really cool surprises. Let's put all your prizes in the tower.
Yes, so I can place them. And place in one basket too.
Oh, wow.
Whoa!
Peppa, these are some pretty neat prizes. What do you think Peppa thinks?
Meat!
Neat. I think so too.
I want to place them.
Okay, well, let's make the Ferris wheel go around again. Go ahead and you can play with them, okay?
Yes, I will go ahead.
Okay.
Oh, this is roll skates. Looks like Peppa can go roller skating.
Whee!
She's done. And now she has a basket. Oh, sorry, basket. Give me a thumbs up. Can play it again.